and that lesson was related to especially three characters. The lesson name, it was actually The Last Leaf. Okay, The Last Leaf is one of the beautiful story written by short story writer O. Henry, who was popular for his short story writing. He wrote the story, and out of his collections, it is one of the beautiful story, and which had got a very name and fame for him. And the story reflects the importance of the patient and the psychological mind, mental mind, and physical status, and how that is connected with the leaf and her life, and how that discontinued at the end. It is a very important thing we need to understand from this lesson, that is called as The Last Leaf. The important characters are John C., who was suffering from pneumonia. Second important character, her companion Sue. And third important character, old man, who was actually waiting for an opportunity, who wanted to achieve something. Okay, so these three characters we find in this story. Yesterday just I began and completed the 1 hour 1.5 page lesson, and today we are going to continue with this. Before going to continue the lesson, so today I would like to show a emotional scene. How that emotional scene means, the doctor also sometimes should react in that way to cure the patients. Sometimes what happen, yeah, I'm doing recording. Fine. So now, thing is that everybody should have aware about it. One smile, one situation may change the patient's atmosphere. Same thing, this last leaf will be also connected with that one. So that companion, so Sue made everything made possible to John C. Her intention was that at least from that some good situation, she could cure from that pneumonia. It was her intention. Okay, so now here today I'm going to show a situation from that Munna Bhai MBBS. So how that person, being a doctor, he was not able to cure, but being uneducated, being a normal man, how did he react to that moment of that age-old person? Let you see the scene now.
वो ब्लू शर्ट पहन के जाने का मस्त लगता है तुम। ओ प्लीज केयरफुली धीरे बिहेव योरसेल्फ प्लीज बिहेव योरसेल्फ रुस्तम कुछ तो कीजिए सर कोशिश कर रहे हैं ना इस उम्र में होता है जीने की इच्छा खत्म हो जाती है यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट नो सर ऐसा मत कहिए अगर कुछ खा लेंगे तो ठीक हो जाएंगे एक हफ्ते से खाना नहीं खाया जूस पी लेते वो भी लेना बंद कर दिया ओह गॉड Give me your sugar test and start the glucose right now. Yes, sir. ए मुंह से खिलाना। Oh, shut up! नहीं खाए। कैसे नहीं खाएगा? सर्किट, हाँ एक काम कर। ये सर्किट, हाँ ये देख, हाँ दिखा दिखा, ये ब्रेक देख। ये यहाँ फोड़ेला भाई सारा अभी ये देख ये अरे क्या भाई इतना इजी शॉट नहीं किया यार तू लेके बता ना अभी ये शॉट है ना सॉलिड कटिंग मारता हूँ ये मेरी गोटी लिया साला सड़ेला पाउडर भाई उंगली सटक रही मैं रानी को लेके देखा था अरे ये रानी हाथ में नहीं आती है रानी का ही लोचा है भाई ओ सर भाई अरे आओ बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं आप अरे गई बहुत इधर तो तुम जहीर भाई शो तो 12 बजे खाना सो जाता है ए भाई ये छबड़ी शॉट देखना कैसे भाई रीना कैसी है उसका नाम रीना नहीं आइला अरे पूरी दुनिया को तो रीना बोलती है तो भाई डर हाँ कौन सा मारू बोलते भाई रानी ट्राई करना अरे क्या बात तुम भी यार क्या यार ये जाएगा क्या ये शॉट यार भाई आपको तो चैंप हो गया बॉस ये शॉट देख भैया ये देख अरे भाई क्या फिर से मिस हो रही है यार भाई ये काली वाली देखना काली वाली अरे यार अरे पापा सही है क्या बात है पापा कैरम रंबा लो जूस पीवा लो मजा नहीं लाई ये पापा जूस पियो ना अरे कोई लिया जूस लेने का कवर जाना मुश्किल है पप्पा चायो वेरी नाइस शॉट पप्पा ए जम्मानु लावनी भूख लगी सिस्टर खड़े रहो प्लीज हरी अप थैंक यू
Yes, children, I think you have seen the scene, okay? And how did you, what did you understand from this actually? So you have seen it now. Before going to lesson, I would like to know that, have you understood anything from this scene, children? Please reply immediately so that we can go ahead with the lesson. Yesterday I was about to show you, but I could not be able to show it up. So that's why today just I displayed it, a short scene related to that, what we call that reaction and the movement, which doctor could not do, the person did it. So this kind of. Yeah, one answer has come from right here. Whatever problem is there, there is a solution. Have you found any emotional attachment over there? And even the willpower of a person, or sometimes any different kind of things have you found it in the situation? Only one person have answered it. Okay, I think yeah, we should spend some time to family, so we will relax them. Okay, sometimes some of the situations make the older man or a patient to feel better. So treatment tablets are only not going to work out. Sometimes some events are also going to make the person to be fit mentally also. Okay, this is a one thing. And even yes, here one answer has come again from another person. Yeah, person's proper health, not only physical health is important, but mental and emotional health also is very important. Very good, children. Same thing here when we come to the case of John C. also. she was totally mentally struck out with that leaf. Her mental illness was connected with that last leaf. That's why she was not able to cure from pneumonia, because physically doctor was giving a treatment to her, but mentally she was not able to react with that one. That's why there was imbalance with the physical and mental balance. So that's why there was a problem with that one. And here see now, doctor was giving treatment to that old man, but the old man was not able to react to that one. So that was given up by the another person, so that gave him energy. Okay, and only he wanted to have a give a food to him. So indirectly with that, whatever he had much interest, he used to care him and impressed him, and that person came over there and started to drink it up. Means which doctor could not do with mental problem, that was done by some other person. Not only some other person, any person maybe take a big place in that person. So now again, please do not disturb in between with the notes or classwork. If any doubts are there, you can react to it after the class, because we cannot answer to those questions in this present class. Okay, na? So now let me continue with the lesson. The last leaf. Okay. So yesterday we learned that Johnsy was suffering from pneumonia, and Sue suffered a lot to cure her. And even Johnsy was connected with the last leaf, and she was waiting for that leaf when it would fall. And Sue tried to make her to come out from the problem, but really Johnsy did not come out from the problem. And later she tried in many ways. Uh, so let me start from here. Yes, all right, said Johnsy. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor, tired leaves. So totally she settled her mind that whenever the last leaf would fall down, she also would die with that leaf. Same thing it was. Whatever that Sue tried to tell the story to her, she was not ready to accept it. Only totally she was stuck on for that one concept. Whenever the leaf falls down, surely she would die it. This kind of mental disorder was there in the mind of Johnsy. Doctor was giving a treatment, but mentally she was not responding to a treatment. It was a big problem to doctor also, and it was shared by doctor. And later, Sue, who was a companion, tried to make her happy and tried to divert her mind so that she could cure from the pneumonia. Then now here, try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old manor. I will call Behrman. Behrman is another character here, up to be my model. So Behrman, one of the famous painter, but he could not be able to recognize in society because of some poverty and below poverty line person he was, and he was not able to reflect his painting in the bigger society. It happens sometimes. Talent will be there, but will not get a proper foundation or proper basement to show the talent. Same thing happened to Behrman here, but here Behrman was one of the person who was always ready to help other people, especially young minds. Here these people were connected with that person because he was the oldest artist and good artist according to them. So that John C. and Sue always they were taking help from suggestions from Behrman. Now Sue decided to take a suggestion from or help from Behrman, so that she wanted to cure pneumonia from this lady, John C. So Sue rested down. Behrman lived in a ground floor, means he was living there only. These people were living in the third floor, and she came down to meet Behrman. And later, he was 60 years old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Sue poured out her worries to Behrman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fall. So he was waiting for opportunity, means lifelong dream he had. That means he wanted to paint a masterpiece. Masterpiece means that should not be painted in the future days also, and that should not not have happened in the earlier days also. That is called as a masterpiece. Means that unforgettable, and it should not happen in the future days also. Like this, he wanted to paint it. So that opportunity was created by Sue in the case of Johnsy. So she requested and even she explained that whatever problem she had about John C. in front of Herman. And she told him that how John C. was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. So all the detailed information was explained to John C.'s problem explained to Herman, and Herman, how did he react it? Is she stupid? Asked Behrman. How can she be so foolish? So as he was age-old fellow, he was experienced person in the life, and when she said all these things, no, immediately he reacted. Is she stupid? Why she is doing all these things? Okay, how can she be so foolish? Is she in good condition or not? Why she is reacting in that way? How it is possible? Whenever last leaf falls, how she is going to die? It's not possible. Let her not to react like that. In this way, he tried to say indirectly in front of Sue. She is running a high temperature, complains Sue. She refuses to eat or drink, that worries me a lot. As being a companion, when she was not able to eat properly, when day by day her health was decreasing, okay, and she was not able to take up any food also. Whenever the person doesn't take a food, please children, whoever in the unmute condition, please mute yourself. Kirtana. Yes. So she is running a high temperature, complains you. She refuses to eat, even drink, or worries me a lot. So being a companion in the bachelor life, really it was difficult task for her. If she would eat properly, she also would eat. If she doesn't eat, it's really very difficult task for this lady also to eat it. So it was very difficult task for her. And however, she was managing. But when it was not possible to her, she went to Behrman and shared whatever she was facing a problem. So common it is, no, whenever we don't have any much idea, we will go to the experienced people and will try to get the suggestions from them. Then later, I will come with you and see John C. Behrman said. Immediately when this young lady said to that old man, and Behrman replied that, don't worry, I will come with you and see John C. What is she facing now? Then they tiptoed into the room. Tiptoed means they went immediately to the room. Johnsy was sleeping. Sue drew the curtains together and they went to the next room. She peeped out. Peeped out means seeing immediately through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. Behrman did not say a word. He went back to his room. So these people have gone to the room. At that moment, Johnsy was sleeping on the bed, and immediately Sue drew the curtains together, means remove the curtain, and through the curtain they were able to see the leaves. So earlier 5 leaves were there, now it was only one single leaf, and there was a heavy rain outside the house. Okay, there was chance that that leaf would fall at any moment. Okay, it was seen by Sue and Behrman immediately. And immediately Behrman did not say a word and he went back to his room. He did not say by seeing this condition, immediately he returned to his room and he was busy with some other works. What was he busy in other works? Let us see. Johnsy woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, she asked Sue to draw the curtains. Sue was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. So casually that night, the old man went immediately without saying anything, and Sue was in tension what to do with this one. She expected something solution from that old man, but the old man did not say anything. And as usual, Johnsy, who was sleeping night time, she woke up in the morning. And as soon as she woke up, she said to her friend in a very low voice, feeble voice means very low, dull voice, to remove that curtain, means draw the curtain. So Sue was very nervous because yesterday it was single leaf that would might have fallen down according to her, and she was hesitating to draw the curtain immediately. But afterwards again she drew back the curtains very reluctantly. Very slowly she removed the curtain, and afterwards, oh, Sue exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf on the creeper. It looks quite green and healthy. In spite of storm and fierce winds, it didn't fall. Immediately, as she opened the door, this curtain, and there was a leaf again. Okay, so there was a leaf in the tree, and with that one, even she also was confused. What happened over there? Really, it was difficult task.